It has been said, the environment in which you train will influence the care that you provide for the rest of your career. The experts you learn from, the innovations you're part of, the team members you work with, the patients you care for, the impact you make.
At the VA, we are affiliated with many different academic medical centers throughout the nation. And these are medical centers where you have faculty of the highest caliber who are performing cutting-edge research, who are really practicing at the top of evidence-based medicine. And so that collaboration between the VA and those really experts in the field allow our trainees to have really the best experience possible in their training, and then get to deliver that to our veterans.
They get to see some of the sickest patients that we have, and so their skills are sharpened. They become extremely competent in the care of patients.
Training at the VA really exposes you to a really unique population. You get really strong clinical training across the board. There's boundless opportunities for your educational and professional development. The education provided by the VA in partnership with our affiliates is really integral for the training of future generations of providers across our country. Their experiences here, they carry with them no matter where they end up.
The academic affiliation partnerships with the VA benefit the trainees in that the trainees will have access to world-class doctors and researchers who are based here at the VA.
Academic affiliations give the opportunity for the very latest developments in medicine and surgery to come right to the bedside in VA. So the academic affiliations are really vital to keeping VA healthy, fresh, vibrant, and moving forward, and meeting the highest standards of professional practice.
I think interprofessional healthcare is the wave of the future, and VA is certainly at the forefront of that wave. Having educators here at the VA who are well-versed in interprofessional care, know how to teach it, know how to supervise trainees to be on interprofessional teams, it's a major advantage of the VA healthcare system.
Nurse practitioner residency programs still remain fairly uncommon across the United States. Having the opportunity to continue to grow and develop as a clinician with the support of other providers who are very experienced and accomplished already has been immensely helpful, not only for knowledge and skills, but for confidence as well as a provider.
Training here was very unique, very diverse, and being able to experience the different settings within the hospital, from the emergency room to the hospice to the ICU, seeing the diverse situations and people really opened my eyes and expanded my exposure and understanding of people, administering to the whole veteran, the physical and the spiritual.
With the residency program, what that does is it kind of keeps my skill level up, because I'm learning all of the new nuances, all the new treatments, all the new different types of surgical procedures that need to be accomplished. I think it's been an amazing addition to my own personal growth within podiatry.
The VA trains more psychology trainees than any other system in the country. And so if you want to be a psychologist who's skilled in seeing trauma patients, you can do that. If you want to be a health psychologist, we can do training in health psychology. A neuropsychologist, we can do training in neuropsychology. It's really limitless.
The VA trains thousands and thousands of physicians, and by having access to these future leaders, we're really able to shape the way that they practice and to shape their vision for what they want the future of healthcare to be for the country.
Serving our veterans with integrity, with commitment, with advocacy, with respect and excellence really drives home the point of good patient care in any arena. And so our trainees coming here take that away with them.
As a physician, there's something really special about being able to take care of veterans, people who have also, they've sacrificed something from their lives, whether it was relationships, whether it was their best years, or even a limb. Now I have the opportunity to provide them with care of the highest quality. And so I think that that's something that's incredibly unique and special for the VA.
VA, passion to learn, power to heal.